Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back to English with Shami. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about self-introduction. I have broken it up into 6 easy parts, and at the end of the lesson, you will have a complete guide that you can use and adapt when introducing yourselves in English. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're ready, let's go ahead and start. So the first part is obviously the greeting, and this can either be formal or informal depending on the situation. Let's have a look at some examples of formal greetings. You can say hello, as in hello everybody. You can say greetings. You can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of the day. Moving on to the informal greetings, you can still say hello, hi, or hey. Alright, now let's move on to the next part. Okay, now this is where you say your name, and it's usually recommended that you say your full name, as in first name and surname. For example, Shamim Nakyanja. Now there are a few different ways you can do this. One of them being my name is, for example, my name is Shamim Nakyanja, or I'm Shamim Nakyanja. And now it's time to talk about where you're from, and there are a few ways of doing this. You can say I am from the name of the city or country. For example, in my case, I am from Uganda. You can even say your nationality. For example, I'm Ugandan. And if you want to say that you come from one place but now living in another place, you can say I am originally from Uganda but now live in Turkey. Now it's time to talk about your job. And you can say I work as your occupation at the name of the company. For example, I work as an engineer at an airport. You can even say I'm your occupation at the name of the company. For example, I'm an engineer at an airport. Now it's time to talk about your work experience. And for this you can say I have number, years of field experience. For example, in my case, I have 9 years of teaching experience, your educational background. And for this you can say I hold a bachelor's or master's in the field of education. For example, I hold a bachelor's in procurement and supply chain management. You can also say I'm a qualified, for example, I'm a qualified engineer. And if you're currently taking a course, you can say I'm currently taking a course in, for example, I'm currently taking a course in engineering. Okay, and on to the last part, which is personal interests or hobbies. For this, we can use phrases like I really like, I enjoy, I'm a big fan of, or I'm into. For example, in my case, I'm into traveling. Okay, and now we have come to the end of the lesson, but first, this is how I would introduce myself. Hello everybody, my name is Shamim Nakyanja and I'm from Uganda. I hold a bachelor's in procurement and supply chain management and a master's in business administration. I'm also a qualified ESL teacher with over 8 years of ESL teaching experience to both adult and young learners. I really enjoy traveling, cooking, dancing, and so many other activities. That's it, guys. Yep, that's it. There you have it, 6 easy steps to introducing yourself. Write in the comment section below and tell me where you're from. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!